You only need 1 million pesos to buy this amazing 5-bedroom home here in Greenwoods Executive Village. So tara, samahan niyo kami. Inside Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. So this house stands on a 120 square meter lot area with a floor area of 310. Nandito po tayo sa 2-car garage. Covered na po ito. So kahit po alas 2 ng hapon, napaka-presko po dito sa bahay na to. And this house is very near the Taytay Gate. So kung you're working in BGC or Taguig or McKinley, napakaganda po nito. Right next to C6 na po tayo. So coming from the 2-car garage, meron po tayong 3 steps going to our main door. So kung napansin niyo po kanina, yung gate po natin is automatic gates na po. So pipindutin niyo lang po dito or dun sa remote nyo, nag-open na po siyang mag-isa. Very high-tech. So, pasok po tayo. This is yung controls kung kailangan nyo i-open yung gate sa labas. Pero for sure, meron din tayo ng remote. Kung wala pong tao sa bahay, dala nyo lang po yung remote, you can open the gate. Yan. Pasok. Okay, so this is the living area of our house. Kung una nyo po mapapansin, meron na tayong kasamang AC. So, meron na tayong floor-mounted AC dito na napakalaki. Daikin po yan. So, one of the more trusted brands when it comes to mga AC natin. So, most likely dito po ang ating couch. And this is our couch area. Doon po ang TV natin on your left side. And then ang kagandahan po, we have very big windows overlooking our 2-car garage, tsaka yung gate natin. Okay? So before po tayo magpunta sa kitchen and dining, I'll just show you. Ayan, meron din tayong toilet and bath pala to. This is not just a powder room. I was expecting a powder room. Pero this is a full-size toilet and bath. So, a little smaller than the usual. Siguro ang size nito 1.2, 1.3 by 2.5 meters. Bakit meron toilet and bath dito? Kasi may dipping pool po tayo sa ating ground floor area. Yan. So, coming from our living area, ito po ang ating dining area. So, kumbaga encompassing din. So, pwedeng interchangeable, pero most likely this is gonna be your dining area. Meron na rin tayong decorative lighting. So, pwede nyo na lang ilagay yung rectangular table nyo rito. It can house mga 8 siguro, 8-seater to 10-seater na table. And then, kung mapansin nyo po sa likod ko, meron tayong bifold na doors. Yan, bifold. Buksan lang natin. Very easy to open ang ating bifold glass door. Yan. O, diba? Super nice. Bakit tayo may ganito? Kasi meron po tayong dipping pool. Although wala lang siyang water sa ngayon, pwede nyo naman pong lagyan once you're able to move in na. And then ang kagandahan nito, it's not just a plain wall dito. Parang naging one with nature. Nilagyan natin ng mga plant boxes dito. May plant boxes and then you also have a plant box here Although, syempre, medyo dadalasan nyo yung maintenance. Kasi, syempre, kailangan lang yan, maalagaan natin yung mga plants para maganda pa rin, di ba? So, yun. Size of the pool will be 2 meters, hindi, mga 1.5, mga 1.5 by 3 meters, 3 to 4 meters. Deeping pool lang siya, guys, ha. Pag bumaba ako dito, kung mapapansin nyo, I'm 5'6", hindi nyo naman usually pinupuno yung pool. So, probably mga 4 feet siguro yung pwede nyo ilagay na tubig dito. Pero syempre, if you have smaller kids, control nyo naman kung gaano kalalim yung gusto nyo gawing pool. If you have elderly naman, maglagay lang kayo ng handrails for safety. So, coming from the dining area and the pool area, eto na po ang ating kitchen area. For the kitchen area, meron na tayong bar counter type dito na meron ding mga pull-outs, pull-out cabinets. And then you also have ito mga built-in. Dami na rin. You have a lot of cabinetries, and then you also have your microwave oven, and then your oven. Hamden po ang ating brand na ginamit dito. And then of course, after that, nandito po ang ating 3-burner cooktop na meron ding nakabukas ba? Sorry. Meron ding range hood. Hamden din po yan. And then after that, dito naman, actually this kitchen, kahit hindi siya sobrang laki, very wise use of space kasi minaximize niya. Parang pa L-type yung kitchen mo, and then you have tawag dito, yung pinaka-bar type mo. And then of course, you have your sink and faucet dito. Diba? You have a lot of overhead cabinets pa. So, hindi kayo mabibitin sa space. And then, of course, this is your side-by-side ref. Kasyang-kasya. Kahit yung mga 6 feet na side-by-side ref. Pwede dito. Now, let's head into the second floor. Welcome to our second floor. Actually, this house, one of the main highlights is our staircase. Kung mapansin nyo, it's glass and wood. Ang kagandahan pa po dito, kahit medyo meron lang may edad yung nakatira or yung mga parents natin na medyo may edad na, hindi sila mahirapang umakyat kasi señorita steps lang po yung ating stairs. So, maliliit na hakbang lang siya. So, going into the second floor, you have a family area. So, pwede po kayo maglagay magkabilang couch. Pwede rin maging study area to ng mga anak nyo. Parang semi-library. Or kung you're working from home, pwede rin office to. Ang kagandahan po dito, meron tayong parang garden area pa dito. This one is partially covered. So, meron natural air and natural light coming from yan, sa taas. So, meron po yang glass door. So, dito, pwede rin kayo mag-alaga ng real plants if you want to. Or kung ano po yung mga hobbies nyo, pwede nyo po dito ilagay. So, yan. Coming from our living area, ito po ang master bedroom. Unahin na po natin to. Napakalaki na itong master bedroom na to. Size of the master bedroom would probably be around 3 by easily 4, 5, mga 15 square meters itong bedroom pa lang. Wala pa po yung closet dito, tsaka yung master's toilet and bath. Pero your bed, dito siya. Yan. Pwede pa kayo maglagay ng side table, ang kabila. And then you have a space pa kung kailangan nyo ng vanity area. Meron na rin siyang split type AC na kasama. And then, you have very spacious balcony. This is facing south. So wala pong direct hit ng araw. That's sunrise. This is sunset. So napakaluwag din ng ating balcony. Uy, papagsak. Nagulat tayo doon. Nabagsak po yung pinto. Malakas po yung hangin. At least alam nyo na maganda yung hangin. 2:30 po ng hapon ngayon. So, yan, ang luwag. This can be your, kumbaga, lounge area. Lalo kapag medyo stressful sa trabaho, di ba? So, coming from our master bedroom, ito po ang ating semi-walk-in and master's toilet and bath. O, di ba? Napakaganda. Yung walk-in closet muna, yung semi-walk-in muna tayo mag-focus. I-ano natin. Highlight natin. Ang ganda, di ba? Kasi meron na sa mga LED lights. Very, hindi siya usual. Kumbaga, only some houses yung mayroong mga ganyan. Kaya, mas ma-appreciate mo pag meron. So, aside from these, open shelves, meron pa kayong napakalaking mirror dito. Mirror na glass door. Ayan, pwede na rin tayong magsabit ng mga syempre mga damit natin. Although medyo feeling ko pag ito yung bibili nyo, magdadagdag kayo ng closet space outside. Pwede naman. Maluwag naman yung mismong bedrooms natin. Yung mismong master bedroom. Still have the pull-outs, pero I think you still need to add a little bit more outside. And then, on this side, this is your master's toilet and bath. Meron na tayong, diba? Ganda na ng mirror natin. We have the sink and faucet here. We have openable windows. And then, fixed glass window here. Malaking bagay po yan kasi may natural light po at saka natural air coming from the outside. And then of course your water closet, and then eto na po ang ating shower na meron ng shower enclosure, diba? And kung mapapansin nyo, ang ganda rin ng color palette. It's parang olive green. Ganda po ng kulay. So dun pa lang, tsaka yung kurba or yung meron na agad personality yung bahay mo. Diba? Napakaganda. We have 2 more bedrooms dito sa ating second floor. So, this is our second bedroom. Napakaluwag din ito. For a kid's room, maluwag po ito. You also have a Daikin split type AC. Bed would be here. And then, of course, you have the built-in closet. Floor to ceiling built-in closet. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. If ever po may makikita pa tayo na kailangan i-repaint or i-retouch, nagpa-punch listing po tayo before moving in. And just to explain again, bakit 1 million lang yung kailangan mo? Kasi po yun lang yung required down payment. Usually you're required to do 20% down payment. Pero with this one, it's a very special promo for the house, 1 million DP. Papa-approve po muna tayo sa financing. Pero syempre po, dapat pasado tayo sa income, ha? So tara, check natin po yung third bedroom. Yan. This is the third bedroom. This one is a little bit smaller than the second one. Pero maluwag pa rin. Kung tatlo anak mo, 2 boys, 1 girl, or baligtad, pwede dito yung mag-isa, sa kabila po yung dalawa. And then you also have built-in closet na may vanity area. Wala pa ng vanity mirror, pero good for one na to. Actually, kung dalawa rin, kasyang-kasya naman dito. Kaya lang, syempre, pag napakarami ng anak, pwedeng tagdadalawa. Pero, huwag kayong mag-alala, meron pa tayong 2 bedrooms upstairs. Before heading to the third floor, ito po yung ating common or shared toilet and bath ng ating second and third bedroom. So, full-size toilet and bath siya. So, more or less mga 1.5 meters by 2.5 meters to. the standard size of mga usual sizes natin. Meron na rin tayo openable windows dito. Meron na rin siyang screen. Actually, maganda yung klase niya. Powder-coated aluminum na po yung ginamit nila. You have a niche here. Iba naman po ang ginamit natin na tiles. More on the brown side naman siya. So, yung kanina sa master's bedroom, may olive green siya. This one naman is more on the grayish brown. Meron na rin siyang half enclosure for the shower. You have the bidet, you have the water closet, and of course you have the sink and faucet. So, all the basic necessities are here. Kulang nyo na lang would be water heater. Pero meron na rin pong nakaabang for that water heater. Welcome to our third floor. Ito po yung pinaka-paborito naming parte ng bahay na to. Kasi yung ating staircase, meron pong skylight. Ang ganda. Diba? Na simula po dito sa third floor, second floor, hanggang sa first floor, may natural light pa rin po kayo. So, napakaganda niya. Lalo mong ma-appreciate dito sa third floor. Pag-akyat po natin dito, there's a big family area. Open ko lang po yung ilaw, ha? Para mas ma-appreciate nyo. O, diba? Ang laki nito. Maglagay lang kayo ng ano dito, mga 75 to 85 inch na TV. Maglagay kayo ng couch dito. Although dito sa family area na to, wala pa po tayong AC. Yun na lang po yung palagay nyo. Kasi kumpleto naman yung AC sa bedroom natin sa babae. Diba? And then you have still, ang lamig, sarap. Thank you, Lord. A very nice balcony here. This one is Antipolo view. More on Angono, Taytay, Binangonan dito sa area na to. Sa kabilang side naman po, this is BGCN Ortigas area. Luwag. Oh, di ba? Ano bang hobby nyo? Bawal lang kayo mag-pickleball dito, ah. Mga pickleball peeps natin. Pero marami na pong pickleball area dito, tsaka court. Lalo paglabas nyo po sa Mercedes Avenue sa Pasig. Yun po ang main gate natin sa may Pinagbuhatan. Right after Pinagbuhatan, Mercedes Avenue na. Marami na po itong pickleball courts. So tara, balik po tayo sa loob. Pagbalik natin sa loob, may magic dito eh. Mamaya na natin puntahan yan. We still have 2 more bedrooms because we promised you 5 bedrooms. Parehas lang naman po ito nung sa ating second floor, pero check na rin natin, syempre. This one is same size ng ating second bedroom. But the best part of this one, medyo mas maliwanag siya kasi mas mataas na tayo dun sa neighbor natin. Pero meron na rin siyang AC. Napakarami pong AC na kasama. Kasama yung living area nyo, total of 6. O, di ba? Yung nasa living area nyo pa, napakamahal nun kasi floor standing AC. Sobrang sulit na. Coming from the bedroom, fourth bedroom, ito po yung kapareho din ng nasa baba. Common or shared toilet and bath. Same as the one downstairs. And then of course, this is our fifth and final bedroom. Kung marami po kayong anak, 5, 6, 7, 8, idol ko po kayo. Magtatatlo pa lang po yung anak ko, puro lalaki. So, kasyang-kasya po kayo dito kahit napakarami niyo pong anak. And then, ang kagandahan po dito, Greenwoods is one of the more known village here in Pasig/Taytay area na kumbaga booming ang ating community. Before we head into the final details, meron pa po tayong sorpresa. Meron po tayong secret door dito. Ayan, eto. Meron po tayong staff room. Diba? It's not that big, pero kasya pa rin po yung single bed. Single bed or double deck, kasya po dito. Tapos, ang kagandahan po, may sarili silang toilet and bath. O, diba? Not too bad. At least may sarili silang space. And of course, as homeowner, syempre, mas okay din yung may sarili silang tulugan, may sarili silang toilet and bath. Diba? So, everybody happy. Quick recap lang tayo guys of this amazing 5-bedroom house here in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. This house stands on a 120 square meter lot area with a floor area of 310. Sobrang nasulit yung no? 120 na lote. It has 2-car garage, 5 bedrooms, and 5 toilet and bath. It even has a hidden staff room with toilet and bath, guys. And it has AC on all bedrooms, even the living room. The asking price for this property is just 22 million pesos. And ang pinakamagandang parte po, 1 million down payment required lang po tayo dito. And of course, we will help you with the bank financing process. And pati po sa title transfer, kami po yung mag-handle niyan on your behalf. So even if you're based abroad, or you're based here pero busy kayo, kami pong bahala sa inyo. Please contact us on the numbers below kung gusto nyo makita tong property na to, and please follow us on our social media pages. I am Realtor RV and RV Real PPH. Maraming pong salamat. God bless and